everyone, and welcome back to Ms Fluent English.
English
through real conversations.
Hello everyone, I'm San and today's topic is very important for everyone.
Yes, today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself like
That
a
sounds
pro.
interesting. Because many people feel nervous while introducing themselves.
Exactly. Whether it's a job interview, a class, or a meeting, your introduction creates the first impression.
And first impression is very important, right?
Yes, because people judge you in the first few seconds.
That sounds scary, haha.
Don't worry today. We will make it simple, easy, and confident.
Wow, I'm excited to learn this.
And one more thing, today's video, PDF. Link is available in the description. You can download it for practice.
That's great, it will really help in learning.
So let's begin and learn how to introduce yourself like a pro. That's perfect because today we're learning how to introduce yourself like a pro, step by step.
Honestly, I always get stuck at the beginning. What should I say first?
Don't worry, let's keep it simple. First start with a greeting in your name.
So I can say hello, my name is San, right?
Yes, that's great. Or you can also say hi, I'm San to sound more natural.
Which one sounds more professional, hello or hi?
Both are fine, but hello sounds a little more formal.
Got it. What comes next after my name?
Next, you talk about where you are from.
Like I'm from Karachi, does that sound okay?
Yes, that's perfect. Simple and clear.
What if I feel nervous while speaking?
That's normal. Just take a small pause and continue.
Okay, what should I say after my location?
Then you mention what you do.
You mean like I'm a student or I work in a company?
Exactly. This helps people understand your background.
What if I'm not working right now?
Then you can say, I'm currently learning or improving my skills.
That sounds nice. Can I add my skills too?
Yes, absolutely. Now you talk about your skills or interests.
Like I enjoy learning English and communication skills.
That's great. It shows your personality.
Do I need to add hobbies too?
You can if you want. It makes your intro more interesting.
Okay, how do I end my introduction?
End with a positive line.
Like I'm happy to be here.
Yes, or nice to meet you. That sounds friendly.
Should I say thank you at the end?
Yes, that makes it polite and professional.
How long should my introduction be?
Keep it short, around 3 to 5 sentences.
What is the biggest mistake people make?
Speaking too fast or trying to say too much?
I do that sometimes, haha.
It's okay, just slow down and stay clear.
Can I practice this daily?
Yes, practice in front of a mirror. It really helps.
Will that improve my confidence? Definitely, practice builds confidence.
All right, guys. Now, let's talk about something really important: mistakes and confidence.
Oh, yes, because even after learning steps, I still feel nervous sometimes.
That's completely normal. Everyone feels that way at the beginning.
What is the most common mistake people make while introducing themselves?
The biggest mistake is speaking too fast.
Oh, that's me. I start talking fast without realizing, haha.
Slow down, take small pauses. It makes you sound more confident.
What's another mistake people make?
Using very difficult words to sound smart.
Yes, I try that and then I get stuck in the middle.
Exactly. Simple English sounds more natural and clear.
Should I keep my introduction short?
Yes, always keep it short and to the point.
What if I forget my lines while speaking?
Don't panic, just continue with simple words.
Oh, so it's okay if it's not perfect.
Yes, communication matters more than perfection.
How can I improve my confidence?
Practice daily, even for 2 minutes.
Does mirror practice really help?
Yes, it builds confidence and comfort.
Should I record myself speaking?
That's even better. You can see your mistakes.
What about body language?
Stand straight, keep your shoulders relaxed, and smile slightly.
Eye contact is still hard for me.
Start small, just look for a few seconds and relax.
What if people judge me?
Don't focus on people, focus on your message.
That really makes sense.
Remember, everyone is learning, no one is perfect.
Can confidence really change everything?
Yes, confidence can make simple English sound powerful.
What is your final advice for beginners?
Be yourself, stay calm, and practice every day.
All right, now let's talk about real life. Situations because introduction changes depending on where you are.
Oh yes, that confuses me. Sometimes I don't know what to say in different places.
Don't worry, we will make it simple and practical.
Okay, let's start with meeting someone for the first time.
In a casual situation, keep it simple and friendly.
Like, hi, I'm San, nice to meet you.
Yes, that's perfect and natural.
Should I add more after that?
Yes, you can add one small detail about yourself.
Like, I'm a student or I enjoy learning English.
Exactly, that keeps the conversation going.
What about introducing myself in class?
In class, you can be slightly more clear and structured.
So what should I say there?
Say your name, your background, and one interest.
Like, hello, I'm San, I'm a student, and I enjoy communication skills.
Perfect, that sounds confident.
What if I feel shy in front of many people?
Take a breath, speak slowly, and don't rush.
What about office or professional setting?
In office, keep it polite and professional.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, you can say, "Good morning, my name is San. I recently joined the team."
Oh, that sounds professional.
Yes, and you can add your role as well.
Like, I'm working in marketing department.
Exactly, that gives clarity.
What about meeting someone at an event?
At events, be friendly and open.
So I can say, hi, I'm San, what about you?
Yes, and ask questions to continue conversation.
Oh, so introduction is not just speaking, it's also connecting.
Exactly, communication is a two-way process.
What if the other person doesn't respond much?
Keep it simple, don't force conversation.
That makes sense.
Always match your tone with the situation.
So casual place casual tone and formal place formal tone.
Yes, that's the key.
Can practicing these situations help me improve faster?
Absolutely practice different situations daily.
Should I practice with friends?
Yes, or even alone by imagining situations.
Oh, that sounds fun, haha.
Yes, learning should feel natural and easy.
I feel more confident now, honestly.
That's great. Keep practicing and you will improve quickly. Now let's talk about something real, the fear of speaking.
Oh yes, this is the biggest problem. I feel scared before even starting.
You're not alone, so many people feel the same way.
Why do we feel this fear even when we know what to say?
Because we are afraid of being judged.
Yes, I always think, what if people laugh at me?
That thought stops many people from speaking.
So how can we overcome this fear?
First, understand that making mistakes is normal.
But mistakes feel embarrassing sometimes.
Yes, but mistakes are part of learning, not failure.
So I should not be afraid of mistakes.
Exactly, every mistake makes you better.
What if someone actually judges me?
Let them, your growth is more important than their opinion.
Oh, that's strong, haha, but true.
Think about it. People who speak improve faster.
And people who stay silent stay stuck.
Exactly, so speaking is always better than staying quiet.
Sometimes I compare myself with others.
Comparison kills confidence. Focus on your own journey.
That's hard, but I understand.
Start with small steps. Speak one sentence daily.
Just one sentence is enough.
Yes, small steps create big confidence.
What if I feel nervous while speaking?
Take a deep breath and slow down.
Does breathing really help?
Yes, it relaxes your mind and body.
What about practice? Should I practice alone?
Yes, practice alone and then with others.
I feel more comfortable alone first.
That's perfectly fine. Build confidence step by step.
Can I talk to myself in English?
Yes, that is one of the best ways to improve.
Oh, I've never tried that before, haha.
Try it, you will see improvement quickly.
What if I forget words while speaking?
Use simple words, don't stop your flow.
So communication is more important than vocabulary.
Yes, always focus on expressing your idea.
This is really helpful.
Remember, no one becomes confident overnight.
So I need patience as well.
Yes, patience and consistency.
I feel more motivated now, honestly.
That's great. Keep going. Don't stop.
I won't give up now, haha.
That's the spirit. Confidence starts with trying.
And grows with practice.
all right? Now let's level up your introduction and make it sound more natural and impressive.
Oh yes, I want to sound more fluent, not like a beginner.
Great. So instead of basic lines, we will use more natural expressions.
What do you mean by natural expressions?
Lines that native speakers actually use in real life.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Can you give me examples?
Instead of saying my name is San, you can say hi, I'm San.
Oh, that sounds more friendly and natural.
Yes, and instead of saying I am from Karachi, you can say I'm based in Karachi.
Wow, that sounds more professional.
Exactly, small changes make a big difference.
What about talking about my job?
Instead of I am a student, you can say I'm currently a student.
Oh, that sounds smoother.
Yes, and for work, you can say I work as a marketing assistant.
That sounds very professional, wow.
Now let's talk about interests.
Yes, I usually say I like English.
You can say I'm really interested in improving my English skills.
Oh, that sounds more fluent.
Exactly, now you are expressing more clearly.
What about ending the introduction?
Instead of I am happy to be here, you can say it's great to be here.
Wow, that sounds confident.
Yes, and you can also say nice meeting you.
That feels very natural, haha.
Now let's combine everything.
Oh yes, I want to try a full fluent introduction.
Go ahead.
Hi, I'm San. I'm based in Karachi. I'm currently a student and I'm really interested in improving my English skills. It's great to be here.
That sounds amazing, smooth, and confident.
Oh wow, this feels like real English now.
Exactly, this is how native speakers sound simple but natural.
Can using these lines improve my fluency?
Yes, because you are learning real expressions, not textbook English.
Should I practice these lines daily?
Yes, repeat them and use them in real conversations.
What if I forget these phrases?
Practice and repetition will fix that.
How long will it take to sound fluent?
With daily practice, you will see improvement quickly.
This is really motivating, honestly. Keep using natural phrases and your confidence will grow. I feel like I can speak better now, haha.
That's the goal, progress, not perfection.
Yes, I'm ready to practice more now.
All right, everyone. We hope this video helped. You feel more confident and clear about introducing yourself.
Yes, keep practicing daily and remember, confidence comes with small steps.
Don't be afraid to speak. Even simple English can sound powerful.
And never give up on yourself, you can do this.
If you found this video helpful,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ms Fluent English.
keep learning, keep growing.
See you in the next video. Bye.